right, boy? Yeah? Should we go find your dad? Yeah? He did leave another tape measure out. What are you doing? What is that? And why is it going in a drawer?
And what?
Well, it looked like you just took the tag off something.
No, I didn't do anything. Why? What? I went to the store. I got the 2 packouts that you asked for.
2? That doesn't look like 2.
I had to do the video. The
Is
deal,
the new rule you touch it, you buy it?
Well, I put my dirty, grubby hands on it, as somebody in the comments said, so I thought I should bring. But I even remembered the screws.
Did you though?
Don't look at that. I got the screws. I didn't get anything.
And you didn't get anything extra, just not the screws you needed.
I mean,
those are others. Those aren't even.
These are definitely the screws I needed. What?
I love you. Why don't you just show me what you bought?
You want to know how I got such a good deal?
Did you buy 6 or 7 packouts?
I mean, let's just say that all I had to do was buy this packout, and like, once I got this customer's one, it was free. Girl math. It was free. Do you want to see the girl math? We can go to the store. I can show you the girl math. Do you want to see that?
Sounds like a trap.
They have plants. Let's go.
Okay.
Home Depot, we're go.
Whee!
Ooh, it teleported. All right, where are we? Of course, Home Depot. And they've got the normal free tools deal, right? You buy a kit, you get a tool, okay? I know, clickbait, but not really. They've got some good stuff this time. So what Jen's gonna do, she's gonna back up and I'm gonna show you a couple things, like these guys, right? The little carabiner with the quick clips that you can hang any of these little hex bits, you know, I think 1/4" hex shaft right in it. Flip bits have been all the popular. I can't wait to see what this actually looks like on a Black Friday, but what I'll tell you we've noticed is some of them are actually a good price. Like, they're actually knocking the price down. They're not doing that whole mark it up, mark it down thing. They're still getting rid of these $50 for one of these, but again, doesn't have the bins, so hit up.
Just got loosey-goosey bits in a box.
Right, loosey-goosey bits. Hit us up at shop.jakeofall.com. You can get the organizers for that. We actually have a special.
For Black Friday.
And if you're going for the new style, they've got a little kit for a little bit more. Okay. But actual deals, come here, here's some more. The Rover clamping M18 floodlight, $79. It's not a bad deal. I remember those are $100 at Northern. But one of the other promotions they have, and we're going to walk around the front to show you, is that if you buy some of these, like this and this, right? You buy one more, you can save $10. So they're a good price on the individuals.
It's actually on sale, which is something we haven't seen in a very long time.
And actually on sale too. Now is a great time. And I don't know if it's just on sale because you got to go to Time Spot Tools to get the 3D printed organizer, which we sell on our website, but they have a nice, it's not the ratcheting head, but you know, you got to have one of these sets anyways. And they have both SA and metric.
Look at that price though.
Yeah, that's a great price per. So I know it's not packouts yet, and we'll get there, but pretty good sales. So let's also show you the other tool deal where if you spend like $3.49, you can get free track saw. On the way to goodness, look at this. We can now get air tips in a packout. Now in this one, they just took the cups out and they just threw the air tips in. So
it's a tip in a box.
it's really literally just the tip and a packout. It's just the tip in a box. Great joke. I just now got it. These guys, I wouldn't mind one of these, but $99 not a great deal right now. So, but come here. Look at this little wall display. Right? Look at this. Free track rest. Okay. Now, don't get the 5 amp hour batteries. They've been sitting in a warehouse since.
Moby Dick was a minnow.
All right. I was gonna say something about Kylie Clarkson, but yeah, look. I would do the $349. Boom, get a free track. Obviously, if you're getting the saw, get a free track. But yeah, you could literally go for the cheapest and get a free track. Okay, now it's time. Let's go do packouts. There's a sign, there's no packouts. So we're gonna go over this, but it's sort of like a buy more, save more, as they like to say, not sort of, or a BOGO, right? So let's go down, let's get the packouts.
It's a smaller version.
It is the smaller, right? But I like this, it's quieter. 50 qualifying packout products. Interestingly enough, it doesn't say on this one all of the SKUs. Okay, you gotta sometimes go online to double check it out. I would love to think that these are the qualifying packouts, right? But literally, we bought a bunch of the crates. Now, here's the thing: 2 of the crates is $100. $100, not there. But if you bought 4 of the crates, you would be at $200. You'd get $50 off. These crates used to be $40, right? So 4 of them, $40. That's $10 extra for each one. So it'd be $40 off, right? So we're getting 50 off. So we are actually, like, pre-COVID, getting a price.
Is this a recession indicator, do you think?
Right, maybe they realize, right? But they've got the floor stocked at this one. Okay, we've got a drawer or 2. We've got the new roller, right? But here's where, like, a great deal works. Buy a drawer. Buy one of the 3 drawers, you're almost at $200. We have customers all the time that we have to build these ones.
These guys too, don't let him fool you.
$52. So we need these all the time, and when we buy these, Jake gets a new, drawer or something.
When the buy more, save more is on.
When the buy more, save more. But if you got to pump
if we can girl math it, I'm down.
If you pump a couple more bucks into the cart, right, to get you up to a higher number, or if you just need $20 to get you over, get a cup. Now, I would love to hear you guys comment below, because this one doesn't have the little thing that says which 50 qualifying, but I'm fairly certain you're going to be able to get plates and all that. This tilt bin is $100, which means 2 of these alone really are only going to be $150. What's that, 75 a piece? Mm-hmm. It's $25 off each one. It's a great price. Yeah. What does this normally go for? Well, this one came out during all the bad, price increases. But if you want to know what the sort of flimsier one goes for.
Oh, don't be hating on that one.
$49. So, yeah, that's how we were able to get that big stack. We got a couple drawers. We got a couple of the crates. We got a whole bunch of those for customers. I think we're going to probably go back when we can get a 4-drawer, because we do need to store some more hardware. But yeah, you'll want to definitely check out Home Depot online or in stores. I know this is a national sale, so you're going to be able to find it anywhere. And now is a great time to make funny little TikToks where you're filling up your cart. You know what I mean? All right. I think we're good, right? Is that it?
We just need bird food and packing tape.
Is that why you didn't let me get a cart, so I can't pack out more?
Yes.
Oh,
Absolutely.
So we don't have customers.
I'm the fun hater. We have enough packouts, my love.
All right. Well, you guys make sure you hit the description, right? Check out some links. There's stuff for the PACKOUT. Convert, all your bits and your shockwave to that. Plus, if you're getting the socket set, not the socket set, the wrench set, over on store.jakeofall.com, we have the 10-spot tools inserts, so you can put those in PACKOUT drawers. PACKOUT drawers, any drawers. But yeah, leave us a like, leave us a subscribe. I'd love a comment. Let me know what you got on sale and how much money you saved. I gotta go. You know what? The last question is, how much would I save if I spent like $800? Right?
Keep walking.
Oh shit.